Europe, can you see how much we care? Students from Serbia have cycled more than 1,400 kilometers from Novi Sad to Strasbourg. And why? They asked for the responsibility. All the power lies in the hands of a single man. Political parties matter more than education. They hold absolutely control. Yet they claim no one is responsible for the collapse of the roof at the Novi Sad train station, which killed 16 people. But instead they got threats, government organized rallies against them. They were called enemies of the state. Students organized massive, peaceful protests, and the government responded with force against its own people. Today they arrived in Strasbourg, and with them came the voice of millions of people who refused to forget, who refused to give up, who refused to be quiet. Support our young people who are fighting for a country that is fair. Stand with them, stand with us.